Here's the things that are fun to know about cats. But, warning, some of these will make you see your furry friend in a totally different way. And number 1, you'll never look at your cat the same again.
You serious?
Number 15, that strange ch-ch sound cats make at birds, it's not random. They're actually imitating bird calls, trying to trick them into coming closer. Number 14, some cats have been lost for months and still walked home from hundreds of miles away. It's like they have built-in GPS and no one knows how it works. Number 13, cats don't sweat like we do, only through their paws. On hot days, you might see tiny wet paw prints, like invisible footsteps. Number 12, your cat's whiskers? They're not just cute, they're mood detectors. Forward means curious or hunting. Pulled back means scared or unsure. Number 11, want to say I love you in cat language? Forget words, give them a slow blink. If they blink back, they just set it right back to you. Number 10, cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. So yes, they heard you open that treat bag, even in the other room. Number 9, when they twitch in their sleep, they're not just dreaming, they're hunting prey in their mind. Number 8, cats purr when they're happy, but also when they're sick or hurt. That vibration can actually help heal bones, even in humans. Number 7, cats land on their feet thanks to their righting reflex, but don't be fooled. They're not invincible. High falls can still hurt them. Number 6, if your cat brings you a dead mouse, that's love. They think you need help catching food. Number 5, cats don't meow to each other. Meowing is a language they created just for humans. Number 4, if they refuse to eat from a deep bowl, it might be whisker fatigue. Their sensitive whiskers hate touching the sides. Number 3, in ancient Egypt, herding a cat could get you killed. They were treated as gods and protected like royalty. Number 2, a cat's purr vibrates at a frequency that can help heal bones and muscles, even in people. Number 1, even if they're friendly to everyone, cats usually have one favorite human. If that's you, you're the chosen one. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. And tonight, give your cat a slow blink for me. Oh, and don't forget, click like, hit subscribe, and share this with your friend, who's what we call a true cat lover.